So as you guys can see, I'm plugging this in right there. Another thing that you guys gotta do is you have to get something small like this. Something small, meaning like a low profile key with lots of bits and sets to plug it in. Plug it in to make sure you have access to screw and unscrew certain things, because otherwise it's just too difficult to get it done, and yeah, just too much mess. Space is limited. Kurwa, wyłaź, no ja pierdolę. For real? You don't want to get out? Why the hell did I put it in there? Is it this bit? No, it's not this one. Bigger a little bit. Not too big. What the hell? Let me just take that off first and... yeah. Now I understand why Volvo charges $1,000 for the service.